niggas gonna keep the beat with the ghetto bass. You can keep shocking if you want to. I'ma let you know off the top, it's hardcore hip hop if needed. Believe it, the streets of ATL, where I make my moolah, where the doves cry, so fly. Real life situations, don't try to duplicate it. I'm just gon' navigate it to the top, non-stop, putting it down to the death of me. Now, this is just the beginning. Now watch me fly high like MJ, number 23. Can you feel me? I can, so I gotta stick and move, show and prove on this here groove. The time is right now. No rule to the game, you remain to be a lame just in your mind frame. But there's power in music, I got to use it. Here it is. Do your own dance, do your own thing. Do your own dance, do your own thing. Get it. Do your own dance, do your own thing. 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 Do your own dance, do your own thing.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Do your own dance, do your own thing. 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 Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Okay, now.
Do your own dance, do your own thing. Sabu, devil that the campaign. Louis though, shut it down, champagne. Chicks see me, feel like with the ambulance. Can't stop till I get a Lambo. Yeah, I'm a cheesehead like I play a Lambo. Feel chest creeping in by the envelope. Kill anything that proceed to interfere. Mousberg in my bed friend, that guacamole in my main bitch. I'm on the same shit, and this probably on the higher level that you can't get. I smoke stain shit, and my whip look nice. All the lady love how that paint shit. Them diamonds on you look tainted, and they falling apart and need maintenance. We up, yeah, and we don't give a fuck about a nigga that don't like it. Hey, what they gotta do with us? Hey, rolling backwoods in the back of the car, 10 stupid rats, it's a bubbly. Hey, and these wanna don't do their own thing, do their own thing.
Do your own dance, do your own thing. Do your own